welcome back. MiaScott.com/unicorn. You want a negative? And today what I'm going to be doing is looking at my slimes. I only got 2, but I'm going to make more. So stay tuned. And let's see if we can get 299.7 views and likes. So, like and subscribe. And do you know Product Zone, whatever the name is? He's a hacker, right? Don't subscribe to him. He is the worst. Like, you never can subscribe to him. Don't subscribe. Don't do anything with him. Don't be in his squad or nothing. Stay with nobody. Just not stay with him. He's bad. No, you're not going to stay with him. And if you watch this video, if you guys don't know, just comment down below. And watch his videos. Just watch his videos to see what he's up to. Don't delete our stuff. We want to see who it is. Even Chad Weil, VQuinn, everybody. We have to look. Everything. So yeah, let's stay tuned. First we're going to go with this purple slime that I made. I hope it's not melted. So yeah, we're going to start with this slime. It's kind of like rough, like it rips. I don't know why. But, hold on. Here, you don't really hear that much, but look. What if we... And then it rips. Don't like this slime, but yeah. But I want to keep it for something. Like if we do a challenge with Imani. Go subscribe to Imani too. Imani Abraham. Then I got this blue one. It's called Sky Blue. And yeah, the other one's called Purple Bloss. This one's called Sky Blue. And this one's, I like this slime a lot. If you guys wish you had these slimes, comment down below. And if you guys know how to make slime, well, now you know how to make slime because I'm going to teach you. And I already showed you, this is a part 2. So yeah, part 2. Oh no, don't get on the floor. Don't get dirty. Don't put it on the floor because then it gets very dirty. And I'm going to make some for my friends. And they want blue. How to make this blue? You can use paint, marker. Oh, and I got 2 more. I didn't see. But now I found them. And now... put this one back because I really love this one. So I never want to get it off my hand. But I have to because that's a... How to make this dark blue, I use dark paint. First we're going to go with this dark blue. See it? It's kind of rubbery, but I like it still. I hope, sometimes... I gotta stretch it, but don't stretch it that tough because then it rips. See, I don't like this one. Actually, I don't. Yuck. Keep it for something. This pink one, last one, and I'm gonna see how this is, good or bad. And it's good. It's very clear, you can see me. Look at this. Oh, watch this. You hear that noise? If you heard that, comment down below. What do I wear? I only told you 12 times. Oh, if you guys think I'm a good singer, comment down below. What do I wear? I only told you 12 times. And if you know that song, comment down below. Now let's make it. I got all the ingredients. All you need is any kind of glue. I used this glue. Then you need shaving cream. Then you need some water, and then you cannot drink it, so you have to keep it. Then you need some tie-dye or detergent. So yeah, or something like that, borax or something. So yeah, I got tie-dye, tied. Yeah. So now let's start making it. First, what you need is a bowl. Now let's do this. In 3, 2, 1, and action. So let's do this. First, you're gonna add some glue. If you don't want to use the whole thing, just try to see the amount that you want. This is what I do. I told you 12 times. And it's still going to make it blue. It doesn't matter what do you have. Now you're going to add some shaving cream. That's it. Add very little. Now what you're going to do is mix it. I told you 12 times. First one got my heart beating, 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 beating.
O să mai încerc, o să mai lucrez la chestia asta. Știu, eu apreciez foarte mult gestul lui Geo, pentru că el vrea ca să vadă randamentul la ea, nu numai ca să vină și să vină degeaba.
Okay. Now we're gonna get some paint. I already got some paint. That's blue.
Trebuie să stau tot timpul cu ea, mă, chestia este că trebuie, eu am văzut profele la ei, fac foarte mult fan, că nu-mi zice și mie că ești rea, că ești.
First, if you have like some stuff on it, just wipe it off. Just get it off. I like it sometimes. I'm just doing what I do. Yeah. I'm gonna take this off so it doesn't work. Okay, I have to ask my mom.
Exact. Și mai e și un aspect, și cum am crescut, înțelegi? Că mie îmi sare țandăra așa, adică vezi, tu sunt obosită, vin, ies de la muncă, sunt, știi, și mă mai înfurie așa în ea, când mă mai înfurie așa puțin la ea, știi, când mă încearcă prea mult și mai țip. Auzi, mă, mai țip, adică nu sunt așa. Și uneori vreau să... Adică mă țip, mai sunt mai uricioasă, uneori cu ea, adică îți spun în el, dar mai țip defecte, știi? Dar dacă aș fi și eu mai relaxată... Da, și am... Exact!
It's gonna take a while.
Dar nu mă deranjează, dragă, nu mă deranjează. Eu înțeleg foarte bine. Eu atâta timp vin și e Geo și așa, ne vedem toți și cu persoana, e și una de responsabilități pe cap și acum Antonia are